Hello guys, welcome back to a whole new video. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Welcome to the preview between Chelsea and Benfica. And according to the chief reporter Kavesole Hall, Chelsea have full confidence in Maresca. Prior to that, a meeting was held to see about the Maresca future, whether he will stay or will go, or Chelsea will have to look for other coaches. So Chelsea have full confidence in Enzo Maresca, and their reasoning is that we had a short pre-season, which I agree, but we'll see how it will go. They'll give him a chance and we'll see. So the question is, do we still have an hangover from the Club World Cup? Many people have been asking me this, and the answer I think is yes, because 2 wins in 6 games is not good for a club like Chelsea. With also 9 injuries like Cole Palmer, Tosin, Fofana, Delap, Levi Colwill, Dario Sugo, Magui, and the list continues. You know, these are among our top players, like Cole Palmer as a playmaker, Tosin a defender, of which I don't even like him that well. I prefer even Levi Colwill instead of Tosin. And also have 2 red cards, which is a major setback for us. Our keeper Sanchez will not be there, and also Trevor Chalobah will not be there. So the combination, I also prefer the combination of Chalobah with Levi Colwill instead of Fofana with Chalobah. Doesn't go well. So I can't wait for the return of Delap, Palmer, and also Colwill. So Maresca spoke about the decision that he made during the red cards. He said it was a poor decision, it was a new situation for him, he could have done better, and so forth. But as a coach, you should always have a backup, because what if you remain with 9 men on the pitch? If the game not go on, you should always have a backup. You should always think, what if my players are injured? Or what if they get a red card? How will I play this game? You should always have a tactic. So that what makes us as Chelsea fan to question his decisions, to question his commitment to the club, you know. So he should do better. And the main agenda, Mourinho is back at the bridge with a different club. UEFA Champions League is back. Tuesday Night Football is back. And we'll wait to see. He's back with a different team, Benfica. You know, Mourinho is always a blue. And what a beautiful moment between him and the longest serving Chelsea staff. You know, that embracing, remembering Mourinho. I mean, who doesn't know Mourinho? And Mourinho was asked about Chelsea FA charges, and his answer was simple: we are not Man City. That is enough to answer every critic of Chelsea. We are not Man City. Man City is Man City, and we are Chelsea. They're in Manchester, we're in West London. So we are not the same. He said that he's always a blue, but now he's with a red team and he's here to win. And I'm telling you guys, tonight's game is going to be hectic. It's not going to be easy. We have to give up our best shot, because Mourinho is here to prove a point. So we have to work hard. And he also said Pedro Neto is one of the best wingers in the world. I mean, I agree. That's why he bought him. And ever since he has played in a blue shirt, he has always showed his best. He has been dribbling crazy, giving defenders a hard time, dribbling on the wing with his pace. I mean, so incredible, my people. So no, he also said that no one will be bigger than him until they win 4 Premier League titles as a manager, and I agree, and that is good. It's a good challenge that is giving Enzo Maresca, and even as I was saying, it's a good challenge that is giving Enzo Maresca and other upcoming coaches so that they may win titles to break his record. I mean, that is a good professional. He helped us become a bigger Chelsea, and we help him become a bigger Jose. And you know, I'm Jose Mourinho. Jose, I can't wait for the game, guys. So guys, tonight prediction, expect us to win with a small margin, let's say 2-1. It's enough, 3 points. Let's pick up and ready to run on the Champions League, and we'll see how the game will go. Remember to subscribe, like and share my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.